Welcome back, guys. Just a quick one for today's video, but possibly one of the messiest jobs you can do on a car. CV boots. CV crease is just horrible. If you ever dealt with it before, it's minging. It's on a Subaru. I've done a bit of work on it on the channel before. Driver's side, inner, I think it is, but I have got both because I think I'm going to have to take it off from the outside to pull them both across. So I'll just film it, I'll crack on with the video, and hopefully it won't be too bad. As well as a nightmare, I've forgot my guns. I've not got my guns with me, so everything by hand, but we'll see how I get on.
Oh I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Break my heart, you can kiss my ass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya? I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya?
I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can have it. I don't even know if you can handle it. All you are. I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can have it. I don't even know if you can handle it. I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can have it. I don't even know if you can handle it. All you are. I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can have it. I don't even know if you can handle it.
I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Break my heart, you can kiss my ass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya? I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya?
I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can have it. I don't even know if you can handle it. All you are. I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can have it. I don't even know if you can handle it.
I've died at least 7 times. I rise on the 3rd day every time. Soul, every soul set on fire. My soul set free, sunshine. I own nothing. I own nothing. You own nothing. And now the sun sets on Sierras. The air is my home. The water is my balance. Earth is where I roam. But my head is in the galaxies. I'm going. Coming in hot. 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 I'm a free spirit. You can't kill me. You can't kill me.
Didn't even
So as you can see, guys, a very messy job. What's going on here? But I managed all right, to be honest. Everything came off all right, which I was quite surprised about. Didn't really need my guns, obviously the hub nut, but I managed again with strong arms, so that were all right. So yeah, it went all right considering. All the clips came off all right, the drive shaft came off all right. It's quite a successful job, really. Don't know what the footage is like yet. I've not watched it back, obviously, but I'll give it a run now. Make sure there's no knocking noises or anything like that. Yeah, we'll get back onto it. Hopefully, in the next few days, might have a video again on the Polo and an update on that. So please, guys, keep watching, keep hitting that subscribe button.